Before me and Brody go absolutely smash on some walleyes, y'all, I want to let you know that we have a sponsor for today's video, Trika. Myself and Brody are both going to be using Trika rods today, all day. I'm going to be using this 7-foot medium power 6X Trika rod, and I'm also going to be using a 7-foot light power bait caster Trika. These rods are just top of the line, super lightweight, super sensitive, yet have very great backbone. They're made out of 100% carbon fiber, and yeah, they're a newer, smaller company out of Superior, Wisconsin, and things are so sensitive and nice. Like, I've said it once, I'll say it again. A walleye can fart on this thing and it just thunk. Feel it so good. But yeah, I'm gonna be leaving a link down below in my description. I'm also gonna leave a link down in the comments if you guys are in the market for a new rod and want to try out a new company. Check out Trika. They make some really awesome rods. But yeah, one more time, huge shout out to Trika for sponsoring this video. Link down in the description. Go check out their website, and let's go beat the crap out of some walleyes. Welcome back, y'all, to Fishing More Outdoors. Today's episode, we got a pretty fun one for y'all. We got myself, we got homie Brody, and we are up on the Rainy River doing some walleye fishing. Hopefully, we're gonna crush. We will probably see you guys out on the river. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now. We are fishing. We got a whole stack of boats here. Hopefully we can crush. I don't know if that was a fish or a rock. But hook sets are free. I think they're heavy.
The other 2 packs are
Just snooze on the alarm clock one too many times to get your first today.
How long have you been up here for?
Since last Thursday. Yeah, probably my couple day up here since I've been
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, we still come.
That's promising anyway.
Smacked it. And you wrecked my plastic. Hell yeah, Brody. We're back, baby. Starting out today, y'all, me and Brody are both using jig heads with paddle tails. 1/4 ounce to 3/8 ounce. Right now I'm using a 3/8 ounce. And yeah, just a little Kitech paddle tail. Pitching them out, bouncing bottom, crushing walleyes. Number 2. And number 3.
3 casts, 3 fish.
Yep. Still small, but 3 casts in a row. Alright.
Number 5.
Number 5. This is intense. Six?
6 casts, 6 fish.
Bro,
Oh yeah, I did. I'll go down.
5 casts in a row.
Yeah, that's 3 casts.
Oh, yeah. A little big for that. Maybe once it gets a little brighter, y'all, I'll film a little bit more, but we just pulled up. I want to just crush walleyes. Nicest one for me, though. Let's do it again. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Check that drag. Yes. I'm the bait caster. Feels big. Not big, but bigger. Biggest one. Yeah. This is awesome. I think it's alright, dude. Yeah. Biggest one yet. 27. Okay. 26.
Solid
And 26. 25 and a quarter. $25 and a quarter. You guessed it exact. You phony bastard. Dude, I'm the bait caster. This is the funnest walleye fishing I've ever done with a bait caster. Number 11. Or wait, 12? Number 12. Nice, buddy. Number 13. Dude, I'm the bait caster. It's diabolical. $14. $15. We need some big ones. Quit doing that. Slap a stinger on that sucker. Hey, not that one, boy. It's a big one? Like that? Really? Where? Where is it at? No, where's the net?
Same place my plastic works.
That better be good. Kick your ass. Oh my god. Snagged him.
On that bait caster or anything?
I'll let you right now. After this cast, it's so fun.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know if
Like, it's so fun.
I've never caught a fish on a bait caster like that.
No way.
Never used one. I've used like a musky one.
So your first bait caster is just a $1,000.
$1,000 setup.
Here. Oh, hold on. That's usually where I get hit. Told ya.
What is it?
17. This one's better. Not big, but it's better.
How cold is your hand?
Not at all. Yours will probably be cold. Because you're a girl. Huh?
Drilling set?
Oh, yeah. I mean, you want to put your thumb on it when you set the hook.
Do ya? Just stop it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
It's pretty fucking fun, huh? First cast.
That's sick, dude.
Yeah, I feel like it might be easier.
It is.
Yeah, like it's easier to fish. Alright, give me it back. You can catch another one if you want. I just casted. It is, but it's not. Stuck them. 20?
Plastic you're using.
That blue and chrome. I don't think it matters. I was using purple until I ran out. It's yeah. Every so often it switches to over here and over here. And I can't feel it for a cast or two too, and that's usually when we don't bite and catch one.
You don't?
No, I don't catch one when it's like that. Except for now. I'm a 21. Hey Siri, play 21 Savage.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done died?
This one, yeah. Soccer. I caught a soccer. Soccer. GoPro died a little bit ago, y'all. But we're at, what's this, 38. Number 38, and this is the biggest one yet. Yeah, help me out here. Okay, mouth should touching.
27.
27.
Dot.
Right on the nuts. Nice fish. All beat up. Let's let him go. See ya. Number 50. Crashing. Still using the bait caster. You don't want it horizontal.
What's that? Just thinking if I wanted to put like 5 foot hooks together. Better.
Like watching your shit on YouTube.
Appreciate that, man.
Yeah. Didn't know you were up here yesterday, weren't you?
We've been up here
Update for yas. Little lunch break for the boys. freaking hands are getting tired. We need a little break. My hands are just thrashed. Yeah, I think that's all I need. We don't have much with us today, but we're gonna have ourselves a little 4-pepper turkey breast and pickle and mayo sandwich. Couple pickles. Grab ourselves some frozen mayo. A little bit of Taco Bell fire sauce, because why not? Just a couple drips just to taste it. Cheers, y'all. What a fun morning. 70? 70 walleyes. What time is it? 10:55 a.m. Not bad.
Did you go with hot sauce?
The hot sauce is a must.
Is it?
Yeah. This looks decent. I like this seam. Little midday update for you guys. It is currently 12:51. We are up to walleye number 81. I do this every time. We've been putting on a clinic out here, but we just moved spots because the last like 20 fish we've gotten have just been really small, and we got our fix of catching fish. Our freaking hands are just beat to crap. Now we're gonna try our best to catch a big one. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a big one. Spot number 3, nerds. Boats everywhere. River's a goddamn zoo. Spot number 4. This is the old juice spot. This is the old juicer. Boy.
5 10-pounders here.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Oh, look. No. 85? Look at it. This thing swam on its back for like 6 feet. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Or what'd you say? No, same size. And just like that, y'all, we are back at the access. We went to like 5 different spots, got our butts kicked. Everybody around us wasn't catching nothing. So we made the executive decision to take off for the day. We caught enough fish today. Ended up with 86 walleyes. Pretty badass day on the Rainy River. But look at the boat right now. Thing is destroyed, and there's plastics everywhere. Like everywhere. Really quick too, I want to show you guys how packed this access is. We were the first people here today. We were the first people to pull up and launch our boat. So we got the first parking spot right in this little parking lot here, but people are parked literally like 2-3 miles all the way down this road. We'll show you. Check this out, yo. Truck number 1.
It's longer than yesterday.
Is it?
It's further.
It's further than you can see. Hold on, we'll film the whole thing. See, that's why we're here before.
That's why you get up early.
Yeah, we were here literally when it was pitch dark. We got here at 5:30. Yeah.
5:30. If you don't, bring a bike.
Yeah, a lot of people bring bikes and they put it in the back of their truck. That's a really good idea. So if y'all are ever coming to the Rainy River and don't plan on getting up at the butt crack of dawn, bring a bike with, because you might need it.
This is crazy.
Yeah, dude, look at this. It's still going. It's probably across the other road
I know,
or the highway.
I'm kind of curious.
And this is just one access.
Yeah.
One access.
This is the
here.
one furthest away from Baudette.
Yeah. Like we're far away from town. Let's see if they're going across the other road. Are they?
There's no way it just perfectly stops.
No. Yeah, they're going this way too. That's crazy.
No way.
How far down?
Another 30 cars? 20 cars?
Unbelievable. Anyway, stay tuned, y'all. We are on our way back to our cabin that we rented last night. We'll probably just talk to you guys back at the cabin or something. Or actually, we might go get some lunch. But I don't know. We'll talk to you guys in a bit.
We ain't buying out of clothes, but we don't really need them. Means we buying a couple of what's inside.
Welcome back, y'all! It is the next morning, and I am on the way home. I totally forgot to pick up the camera and keep filming last night, but you guys didn't miss much. Myself and Brody went and ate some pizza, played one game of pool, and then went back to the cabin and passed out by like 8 o'clock. We were both so freaking exhausted. We've actually been here at the Rainy for like 7 days now, but I've just been literally just like hanging out and fishing and relaxing. But I figured I'd make at least one video for you guys to watch while I'm here. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button really quick too. I do want to give the hugest shout out to Trika for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be leaving a link down below in my description. Go check them out if you guys are looking for some new rods. They are just so buttery. They're so nice. But I think that's it. Love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but I think we might be back now. I was just taking a little breather. I've been going pretty hard every Sunday the past year, so I figured it was time for a little break. But yeah, we back. Love you guys. Probably see you next Sunday.